This week's Tuesday tip, we will teach you a basic method of sowing perennial seeds for your garden in the winter months. Hi, I'm Mitch. I'm a University of Missouri Master Gardener, and today I'm going to be demonstrating winter seed sowing. For many home gardeners, it's starting seeds in the winter that helps build that excitement and fun for the upcoming spring season. Winter seed sowing provides the cold, moist conditions called stratification that many perennial seeds need to germinate in spring. In Missouri, winter sowing is usually done in January and February. The first step is to have a clear, translucent container such as a milk or water jug, storage container, or even trays, anything that lets the sun in. Today we're going to demonstrate with milk jugs that have been cleaned and disinfected. Start by making drain holes in the bottom of the container with a drill or a punch so that excess water won't stand in them during their time outside. Using scissors or another suitable tool, carefully cut around the container 3 to 4 inches from the bottom so you can open it up to add soil. Leave about a ½ inch intact around the handle so you can create a hinge top for the jug. Next, place 3 to 4 inches of light, porous soil or potting mix free of disease pathogens in the bottom of the jug and moisten the soil. Do not overwater. Sow seeds to the depth indicated on the seed packet, but do not overseed. Label and date each jug. Close the container again and tape around the cut with duct tape. The lids on the containers will not be used so that rain and snow can add the necessary moisture to the seeds. Next, take the containers and place them outside in a location where there is sunlight, access to moisture, and protection from strong winds. Monitor the germination process for adequate moisture, safe temperature, overplanting, and exterior disturbances such as animals. If the winter is unexpectedly dry, you can add moisture to your containers. Just keep in mind it should be a gentle mist or spray so as not to disturb the seeds or the medium. Once the seeds germinate and temperatures are appropriate, seedlings can then be transplanted. We hope you enjoyed today's Tuesday tip. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up. You can check out the MU Extension guide sheets and our resources in the Show More section below. And subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our next video. Until next time, see you in the garden.